just riding the payong-payong here in Davao, exploring here the Wellspring subdivision. Just there in Pequeño. Okay, this is our ride. So this is it. Oh, this is it. We're here. So, exit. Dili kami dapat ano sa driver kabalo. Sige, salamat. Here we go. So, thank you payong-payong. Aki Mia. So here we go. Let's explore the Wellspring Pag-ibig Homes. This is their entrance as being known here by the residents. This is exit 24. Actually, we can also have it riding a jeep, but sometimes I'm hesitant, and as much as we have to cross the other side of the road. So we have a glimpse of what we are walking now with Anggi here. Oh, mabuhay!
Mabuhay!
Yeah, we are going to my very good friend Leia for a massage, for feel good body massage. It's near the river, Talomo River. That is the Talomo River over there. Let's go. So here we are. Welcome to Wellspring Pag-ibig Homes. Thank you Kamabuhayers for joining us again on our exploration. Alive here in Life is Here, Davao City. Oh, I love these yellow plants. Okay, so where are we now? Let's move to the left. Oh, ouch! There's dog. We go to
Dog there.
there's a dog. So, thank you, sir. So you see, Kamabuhayers, how helpful, how courteous, how disciplined people in Davao. They are really helping us. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Mabuhay channel. Name, sir, name. Tonight.
Jerry.
Yeah, Sir Jerry. Thank you so much
You're
for...
from Davao, ma'am?
Oh, tingin nyo. Magpamassage me ni
Okay.
Leia, for Nea. Oh. Actually, I've been here many times, sir, but... many times. So, thank you. So here we go. That's one manifestation that people in Davao, regardless you are not asking them, they will voluntarily help you. Diba? Oh. So here we go. We are going to have our massage. See you, Leah, for Nea, our Davao therapist. In as much as my lung therapist, Minda Nanini, is already in Canada. So in Lang, it's Minda Nanini, my very good friend. But here in Davao, it's, of course, another friend, another therapist, the name of Leia Pornia. Oh, it's so very hot. Help me with my umbrella. Ouch! There's a dog. No. Please get my bag. No, it's not there. Please. Okay, it's very hot. So, this is our day here in Wellspring. Dahil na po, Pidalgo, where is your house here? We are now in Wellspring subdivision. Okay, look at their houses. Another type of houses like this. Oh, house and lot for sale. Oh, Daisy, Amera, Alawi, my friend, oh. You asked me last time. There is a house for sale here in Wellspring. 0919-814-8080 Smart. And Globe 0995-870-8879. So for those who would like to buy house and lot here, come now and contact this number. Oh, ping ping, lang. You would like to buy a house in here in Davao. So that's it. Oh, there's ping ping, Fe, Golmayo, Balinas, just near our subdivision. You contact the owner. So, hot temperature this afternoon. Okay, our umbrella.
Yeah. Layo pa.
Over there. Don't worry, we'll take the jeep. Pauwi later. So, how's the place? How's the place? You like it?
Place.
Quiet place, peaceful place. Yeah,
Peaceful
correct.
Place.
Usually, if it is a subdivision, it's really a peaceful place. No quarrelsome neighbors. No noise pollution like Big UK. No. It's not here. Perhaps because many of the residents in the subdivision, they have their work every day, and students are there in school. Most of the people here are employed. So no more time for what's this, like vulgarity or other bad intentions. Anyway, we are almost there. It's somewhat a kind of exercise that we are doing. We are almost there. Dapat nagpatod na lang dadali, no? Oh, sige lang. Exercise.
Layo pa hindi ay.
Mas lapit the other area.
Di man.
Sa unahan. I'm sharing you the landscape of houses here in Wellspring. Dali lang, Mi.
Kaya lang kami.
We have, what's this? Total Child Development Center. Oh, it's a school. School for the children. So we are there. The gymnasium. Last time, dili kami lagi.
Na-sure ka?
Oh.
Hindi
It's
ko
okay. We are almost here in the Spa Massage Center of Leia. School bus is also available here.
Parang gym.
Yeah, this is now. That's Leia's house. Here we go. Welcome to Wellspring Subdivision, Pag-ibig Homes, their gymnasium, where exercises are held and playing basketball. Mabuhay! Ma'am, we're looking we'll go to Leia. Here, sige, thank you, ma'am. So that's Davao. Yeah, Davaoing you are really helpful. Thank you, ma'am. So welcome to the house of our therapist, Leia Pornia, with amazing plans. Yeah! Okay, the arrival. Okay, glimpses. Yeah. Wow, you have now your bid space and transient for rent.
Pasok po,
you-
pasok po.
Oh, 0965-355-7231. Oh, dabawin nyo. Contact now. This number, 0965-355-7231. Free light and water, aircon room, wow, electric fan, Wi-Fi, 3 minutes walking distance to highway. Accessible to business establishment. Here in Pag-ibig Homes, Wellspring. Okay, yeah. Wow, my beautiful friend. So, wow!
Tignan mo,
Complete
hindi pa ako
makeover.
nakaligo. Hindi pa ako
It's okay. Complete makeover. Angie.
Hello,
Oo.
good morning.
Ay, you know already, Angie. Nakita na kayo sa birthday.
Ah, okay.
Birthday ng apo ko.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, yeah, so
Kain
this is it.
tayo. Ano ba ito pagkain ko?
Okay lang.
Pasok po, pasok po.
So this is the swimming pool. We used to have our swimming before, but this time no more water. Swimming pool of my very good friend Leia Fornea. We once swim here. That was years ago. Okay, let's go inside. We're still eating. Wow, this is Leia's place. Wow. Oo. Okay, I'm done eating. Yes.
May alaga siya pusa.
Yeah, marami siyang pusa. Oh, what is your
Yes.
ulam? Wow,
Pepeno.
Pepeno.
Rice pepeno.
Very healthy lifestyle. I just have my breakfast almost 10 o'clock.
Upo mo na po, upo mo na po.
So this is a day in the life of.
Upo ako.
Okay, take your time. So you have already your borders.
Ha? Wala pa.
So where is your massage room now? Are we going to you transfer?
Maliit na siya.
Ha?
Maliit na siya.
So this is now the massage room. Wow.
Hindi pa.
Oh, for those who would like to look for what's this?
Room.
A room house here in Davao. Very nice. Oh, very comfy. With a bed and the other one.
Ito dito massage.
How many rooms are available for rent? Yeah?
Yan, pero dito.
How many? 3? 3 rooms are available. And there's also a CR here. A common CR.
Apo, malapit lang.
Malapit.
So, hindi
So,
naman.
so preferably, you like what? Family, students, employed?
Student and employee.
Anybody who can pay. How about family?
No
No
kids.
family, no kids lang. No,
No pets.
No dogs.
No pets.
No pets. Only you will have the cats.
People only.
Okay, people only. So here it is. So I like this one, no?
People only.
Yeah, I love this one.
Ito yung massage room ko.
Massage room. So this is now the massage room. Later on. Sige, yeah, take your time.
Okay.
So what are you waiting for? For those who are looking for very affordable. How much? How much is the rent, yeah? How much is the rent?
One person, 3,000.
One person, 3,000. No advance payment, no deposit.
1 month deposit.
1 month deposit, no more advance.
1 month advance.
1 month advance. Are they allowed also to use your kitchen?
Yes, common kitchen.
Yeah, common
And
kitchen.
common laundry area.
Common laundry area. Where is the laundry area? Here?
Yes.
Laundry area. Oh. So this is it. Come now to Leah's boarding house. And exact address, Banao Street. Again. Banao Street.
Banao Street,
Wellspring 2.
Katalunan, Pecanio.
Katalunan, Pequeño, Block
7, lot 4.
Block 7, Lot 4.
Basketball court.
Near the basketball court. So,
Ayan ka na naman.
so this is it. Our a day in the life of the vlogger, featuring our going to the massage center and the boarding house.
Fried rice.
Magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Oh, mabuhay, signing off with Anggi. And this is it.
Buhay.
Mabuhay. See you later for our massage.
Look, my cat.
yeah.
A foreigner.
Yeah, our massage
You see, my foreigner.
episodes. Oh, the foreigner
Cat.
cat. No, that's it.
Pusakal.
Pusakal, yeah.
Ay, nakuha.
Okay. Mabuhay, magandang buhay. Tingtaon, gandang buhay. Thank you everyone. Until my next vlog. Live and alive here in Life is here in Davao City. The massage center is here. Yeah, this is it, the location. Massage center. Feel good. For you, hands and wellness spa massage. Garden soil and plants also available here. Feel good massage. Come now here for relaxation, remedy, renewal of your body, mind, and spirit. Home service by appointment. Contact number 0923-967-2916. Again, 0923-967-2916. Mabuhay and good morning. I'm your teacher vlogger, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon, live and alive here in Catalunan, Pequeño, Wellspring, Banahaw Street. Mabuhay! Until my next vlog. Thank you, kamabuhay, mga mabuhayers. See you again.